Hi, this is the Mindfulness Corner from Oils Wonderland. And just make sure you subscribe to Oils Wonderland channel so that you get notified of the bi-weekly 10-minute videos that are released regularly. I'm Amy Lohr, and today we are talking about how to bring focus into the new year, and to do so with the assistance of some mindfulness practices and the essential oils of frankincense and lemon. So if you're new to these videos in the Mindfulness Corner, check out my How to Use Essential Oils with Mindfulness Practices video so that you can get some of the basic techniques and know how to integrate those techniques in each of these videos, saving all of us some time and keeping our focus on what's at hand here. So let's get started. The reason why I'm bringing in frankincense and lemon to these practices is they both, when used together, synergistically support you in bringing more focus, more attention. They support brain health and cognition. So we're going to use them today as you're setting your intentions for the new year. So go ahead and bring out the essential oils and just take a couple deep breaths of them. Use the practices. And whether you have the essential oils or not in front of you, go ahead and just focus on your breathing. So take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And just guiding your attention away from all the distractions of the day and into this moment. And out. Deep breath in and a long breath out. I'll go ahead and set an intention of focus for this brief time with yourself. And allow yourself to be receptive to the essential oils you're using to assist you in focusing. Allow your breath and your attention to your breath support you in establishing presence right now. Just continuing to take a deep breath in, slowly, and a long breath out. Deep breath in, and a long breath out. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. And inevitably, as you do this, you'll start to observe things that come in. It's maybe subtle distractions, or maybe even feeling bombarded by fatigue, noises, people interrupting you. Or whatever it might be. So you can just note those and note your sensations and responses to that without resisting, without clinging to those sensations. Just let them flow in and flow out. And come back to your attention, to your breath, your anchor, your trusty friend that lets you know you're alive, you're here. Take a moment again to take some deep breaths in of the essential oils if you're using them. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest as you're taking those deep breaths in. And just silently say, I'm here. I'm here. Certainly we can't have focus if we're not here in our frame of reference and focal point, in me here right now. So I'm here. Now call back all the little pieces and fragments of yourself that are still attached to different experiences of the day, because we buzz around, leaving our attention and our mind and our emotions and all these experiences, and through doing so we become more dissociative and detached, not here. So we're just going to gently call back, with that intention to call back the parts of you that you've left hanging out somewhere else throughout today or throughout the night in your dreams. And just greet them compassionately. And just saying, I'm here. I'm here. Now you might find some resistance or emotions there. It might be more comfortable to not be here in the now. We tend to leave because there's some kind of stress grabbing our attention, or we're bored or disinterested in the now. So just notice that. Don't force anything. And even if one little piece of you comes back, just say thank you. Notice that vitality and energy that gets just even so slightly or maybe more intensely charged. And now you're going to take that focus and as we conclude this session, you can step out of this meditation and use that focus for your planning. Bring your attention to the things in your life that need planning and efficiency, and take that time now to do those things and accomplish those things. So you can take as much time and space as you need in calling back your vitality, bringing it back into this moment, and I'm here now. And then when you're ready, approach your day, approach the task at hand with a strong, secure footing. So take a deep breath and breathe into not just your core, but down into your feet. I'm here now. I'm here now. Please continue to enjoy these practices by subscribing to the Oils Wonderland channel. And if you're interested in getting these essential oils with Young Living, check out my description below for details, or contact me directly at oilswonderlandteam@gmail.com. I'm Amy Lore, and hope you have a blessed